This is something I just wrote last night, so you can get an idea of where I'm heading to, or at least where I've been. And it's titled, Perhaps Another Sensuous Ode to Those We Find Difficult to Accommodate, or simply, Miasmic Obfuscations in Q minor. I gotta tune my voice for this one. Do, re, mi, fa. Okay. Deep, deep, heavy, quicksilver tears. There is nothing sane or necessarily just about the way we dare to live. Flushing feces down the guts of Tinseltown. Shallow light, slow honey drops. All is quiet on the outer front, or so it seems through our de-instincted ears. Silent desperados, hunted, escaping invisible enemies, and those years, all those years, where did they go? In pursuit of an earthly abode, deep beneath the muck of the mud of the farmer's trousers that were found nowhere. Yet what mindless beggars we have become. Aching for affection, honesty, and unadulterated sharing. Our eyes glazed over with the mildew of perpetual insecurity. Beggars we are of passing by those street grime-infested and sleep-starved saints. Wards of our trickle-down system. Whose hallow we secretly envy as it hovers above their heads. Still, no fingers need be pointed. Fools stick out with sore sums. Sums, that's right, S-U-M-S, sums. Sums of borrowed wealth, nay, blindly stolen time crushed life like ice cold and heartless, but deep inside yearning for the love from above that we, in security, cannot but understand. We, with our audacity to pity, yes, to pity, these devoted remnants of that neglected notion of called humanity, sticky, slimy, gooey-fooey rhetoric, mediocre, nay, yuppie-esque words. Yuppie-esque words, yeah. This fragment of fiasco of imitation poetry is what this is. Spare not me a dime is spoken. Glazing glances, gazing across the cold pavement of flightly fear. A voice as if unheard. The flow of would-be friends. The flow of would-be friends. Spare not me a dime, but be simple and true, for honesty is all I ask of you. What am I without means to bathe safely? Without privacy? To hear the fleshly wounds and to heal these inner cocoons of unfulfilled sharing, of incomplete love? What, cries the soul, am I to do without the real you? There is in this misunderstood sage of the sidewalk a realization, much too shocking for most of us. that there's nothing more fulfilling, sane, or healthy as in opposing these lies that we think we can live with. Lies that we tuck away in that seemingly convenient abscess of our mind called the ignorabellum. Ignorabellum, it's spelled here, I can't read it very clearly. Lies that feed our fears, that push, nay, shove us towards the very hate we despise. And then who are we, if not the would-be them? Madness is but a mile away in an illusionary world. I'll be seeing you in every lonely summer's day, in everything that lights my day. I'll always think of you. That way I'll find you in the morning dew, that way. And the last couple of things I'm going to read because time is always running away from me. A love poem. Boy, that's an anticlimax. Okay. Dearest beloved, and you can fill in your name if you want to. What do you want of me that I have not offered? Why? Please help me to understand. For this I write to you, alone at night, by deep blue light bright. Your shining image, O thine deep brown eyes mine adore, yet so dissatisfied I desire you forevermore. Far off in perfection's world of my mind, warm sensuous lips mine they find, an eternal breath shared on love-beached tender shores, yet so unreal. I yearn your sweet affection so much more, till life's last open door. For here I wait at silence's gate, till you pass on through thy soft embrace. Honeydew, honeydew. Though foolish it seems, a journey on stream of dreams, more and more, forevermore. Ancient times revived in modern hearts, these realms we discover, far truer than any sum of any parts. These imaginary moments for thee I'll allow, perhaps my love you will avow.